Okay. I did Cody's makeup with just base cosmetics over here. Most of it is these, the dark colors. I got these like for $1 at Big Lots.
That's all it is, $1.
Yeah. I gave him pale skin for with Elf.
Elf, that's a good name for a brand.
Yeah. And then this is the one I
Jen's more of a makeup artist than anything else.
This is the one I used by Revlon. It's called Red Velvet. It's a nice deep color, which you can see I used for that, and it's really glossy. It's high gloss. So it really stood out as like a bloody substance. And as you can see with his lips, I tried to give a little bit more depth. Using some nude tones but more dull, which is why I got nude here. I used like some deep coloration, but I also used like nude colors, so it makes it more pale. And then I used black, but in order to get rid of the glossy look, because you know some of these makeup eyeshadows, Revlon Nude Attitude, which is #1. And you can see like the stuff I got out. I just glossed it over his lips so that it didn't give enough shine, really, but it did stick out. But it was really simple. It's just a cheap way for like Halloween makeup. It's just to use simple products.
It's like a zombie effect for it. That's amazing. Yeah, you're more of a makeup artist than anything else. This is incredible. It's just like you're using cheap cosmetics for it, huh?
I wanted to give a lot more depth to your eye. I can't give it too much depth because I'm not professional at this, but
it looks great either way.
It does. It does contain like a certain depth to it with all that dark makeup.
Sorry for my voice after filming for 4 or 5 days, and I kind of lost it.
This one was a little bit.
Well, maybe that's better. Zombie kind of.
Hey. This one was black, smoky, and nude. I used his skin tone for brown. This one right here. And I kind of glossed over so that way it did look more natural. You don't want it to be like sheer black. You want it to have some sort of natural tone to it.
Yeah.
So I did a dark black with some gray to give it a dullness. And then I put slightly over it. I just did like a line here and up here. And just not even a thick line, it was just a small line with a Q-tip. Just blend it in just slightly.
I like that.
Really simple. So you get the natural tone to it.
That looks intense. That's amazing.
So it's really, in all, really simple to do a dead look. I did this once before as a request.
That's amazing. That's a great job. That's really impressive work. Well, thank you everyone for watching, and please subscribe to our channel. We got Jen here, my lovely little Jen. Moo. Subscribe to our channel, like, favorite, share. Leave your feedback in a comment below, and if you have not already subscribed, definitely subscribe for sure. We'll talk to you guys soon. And there'll be more videos to come, so this is great. You're really great at doing this. You're really great. You have a lot of talent for being a makeup artist.